Hey there, today I have a Thrift2you box to unbox. Thrift2you is just starting out, and I was recently contacted by the owner of the company, Krista, and she asked if I would do an unboxing and review of her service in exchange for a discount. So I ordered a box, and I did order it, just disclosure, with my own money, and here it is. Okay, so the way the service works, it's similar to those other online styling services in that you fill out a style profile on their website. Then a stylist will pick out some items of clothing and I think accessories for you, but they're thrifted items, so they're not new, they're secondhand. So that is, it's going to be more affordable and I would say sustainable. And okay, so the way it works, she has two boxes that she offers, two sizes. The first is a small size, which is $45 plus shipping, and shipping is a flat $8, and that includes 4 items of, I guess, clothing and or accessories. So we'll see what I get. I ordered the small box. She also has a large box, which is $75, and that has 7 items. I'll put a link to her website in the description box below in case you want to check it out. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got in my first ever Thrift2you box. Okay, so here's the box. So it just has Thrift2you. She's got a little label there, and she has handwritten on the box, "Thanks for giving Thrift2you a try." So, you know, one thing, I like the idea of this being a startup company and yeah, giving them a try. And I also like the idea of it being thrifted clothing. You know, I have shopped a lot at ThredUp in the past. I really like ThredUp, and also Poshmarks. So here's my letter, and boy, look at this. It says, your personal letter detailing what I found just for you. And it says, I hope you like and enjoy all that I found. And boy, this is a very detailed letter. So she just basically goes into detail about each of the items. I think it's too long for me to read online, so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly read it. Okay, so here's the inside of the box. So you can see all the clothes is nicely wrapped in tissue. Okay, here's the first item. And this is by ROZ ALI, size medium. And it's a very cute top. And it has kind of an interesting lock print. Yeah, it's very cute. And it has its built-in camisole. Oh, my dog is barking. Yeah, so very cute. I think this is very basic, and I can see this would be a good top for work. Next, okay, what's this? Oh, this is cute. It's like a skirt. And this is by MAXIMO, size 6 petite, which should fit me. And yeah, 100% cotton. So very cute, yeah, very colorful. I think I could wear this to work. Maybe a black top or something. And everything looks to be in good condition. Okay, next is a dress. And it looks like it's a wrap dress. Very nice. And it's by Apartment 9, medium. And I like this kind of knit material, actually. Really comfortable, and this is a nice dress for work. And it has a very pretty print. It's a paisley with purple, green, and black. So yeah, very nice. Okay, and lastly, another dress. Okay, this one is by ROZ. Let's put it down. See it. Yeah, I mean, it's cute. It looks to me a little bit sheer and very colorful. It has these kind of rhinestones in the front, but not very interesting. Definitely something I wouldn't have chosen for myself on my own. So nice. Okay, great. So I have a total of 4 items. And you know, this box was only $45 plus $8 shipping. I did get a slight discount, so I think I got it for $35. But anyway, I'll go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first top. And I just paired it with some black work pants. And these pants are from White House Black Market. And yeah, so it's nice. It's very cute. It's got its own built-in camisole. Kind of an elastic bottom. Okay, cute, not bad. Okay, next is the skirt. And this is actually cute. It's a good length. It's just hits right above the knee, which I like. It's cotton and it's colorful. Very pretty. And I like that it's cotton, so it's breathable. Okay, all right, so that is the second item. Okay, so here is the first dress. And yeah, this is a very pretty dress for work. It's a very flattering shape. I think it's a wrap. It's actually a true wrap dress. It's not like I don't think so. No, actually, I'm sorry. It's a faux wrap dress. Cute, short sleeves. It has kind of an interesting ruffle along the hemline. But yeah, very cute. Nice. Okay, so here is the last dress. And it is a very flattering cut, I do have to say, but I would say it's kind of short in the front because it kind of goes high, low, sort of, on the sides. Yeah, I think for me, the print maybe is a little too overpowering because I am very short, and I think I try to avoid really big prints. But it is very colorful, but I think for me, yeah, this is probably not something I would feel comfortable wearing. So. Okay, so that was everything I got in my first Thrift2you box. And overall, I thought actually the items were very nice. I did appreciate the communication and great service that I got from working with Krista. And I thought it was a lot of fun. Definitely some things that I would never have picked myself. Let me know what you thought of the clothes, and if you've tried Thrift2you before. If you haven't and you're interested in trying this service, like I said before, I have a link to their website in the description box below. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos. I do Stitch Fix, I have a mix and match, and the golden tote coming up, and also a Natalie Attired, all coming up soon. Not sure when, but they'll be coming up soon. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye now.